Let's start. If sin theta plus cos theta equals to A and sec theta plus cosec theta equals to B, then the value of B into A square minus 1 is, remember few things. Cosec theta is inverse of sin, sec is inverse of cos, and cot is inverse of tan. We'll convert B into simpler ones because sec cosec is difficult to handle. 1 upon cos plus 1 upon sin. Okay. Now what we want? B into A square minus 1. So B into A square minus 1 equals to, what is B? 1 upon sin theta plus 1 upon cos theta into, what is A square? Sin theta plus cos theta the whole square minus 1. So solve it. Cross this. Cos theta plus sin theta upon sin theta cos theta into, solve this now. A plus B the whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square minus 1. Right? So, but sin square plus cos square theta is equals to, that is 1. See these three identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. 1 plus tan square equals to sec square. 1 plus cot square equals to cosec square. So we get this left hand side as it is, cos theta plus sin theta upon sin cos, and this becomes 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. Right? Equals to cos theta plus sin theta upon sin theta cos theta into 1 gone, 2 sin theta cos theta. Solve this. You get 2 into cos theta plus sin theta. But what is cos theta plus sin theta? It's given that it is 1. So answer is 2A. Sorry, it is given as A. Therefore the answer is 2A. Okay.